I just got an email from Spotify for Artists that said that they received my new album that comes out on May the 3rd. So it's a week until the release date, and they had an option for me to put one song into an editorial playlist. So to send to the editors, I decided to record what I'm doing so you can see what it looks like on the inside. But there are 5 songs on this CD, and the one that I really want to promote is the theme song, the title track made for this. So I've selected that here, and I'm clicking through. They're wanting to make sure that they have the right audience for the song, which I appreciate. So I have to pick the genre. This is more of a pop style CD, more pop than I've done before. I'm really excited about it. Okay, and then you can select subgenres. So I'm trying to scroll right now. Okay, and then it's having me choose some moods, which I think the mood is pretty happy and also kind of chill, if that makes sense. Song styles. Okay, the language is English in all of these songs, but there might be some bilingual music coming out at some point. That would be fun. Okay, is this a cover? Mine's not. It's a remix. No. And it's not instrumental because it has vocals, and it was recorded in studio. What instruments are in the song? I think we have some guitar, some bass, definitely some drums, more guitar. Piano, and some samples. Alright, so I click through next. Here's the artist that's already connected to my Spotify artist page. And that's one of my previous CDs. What city do you most identify with? My hometown would be Clarksville, Tennessee. So I'm selecting that. The story behind the song. Okay, this is for the editors to know. So this is who I'm talking to when I'm talking about the new music, and I'm just going to write something about this song, which is made for this. Is there anything else you want us to know? This song is an encouragement for moms with little ones that the work they are doing is important and they are seen, appreciated, and loved. Motherhood is a high calling, and this song is to empower mothers that they were made for this. Song releases May 3rd. That's right. There's the album artwork. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. It looks just like me and my kids. My friend Kristen did the artwork for us. I'm just looking over all of my answers here. Of course, it doesn't have to be perfect, but done is better than perfect, and I'm excited to get this out there. Oh, nice. Your followers get this song on release radar when you submit at least a week before release. Thankfully, it's a week before the release. And then I get a message, thanks for your submission. We'll let you know if your song gets added to any playlist. You can submit another unreleased song after this one goes live on Spotify. Okay. Very cool. So I hope that you listen to this once it's out on Spotify. It will be available anywhere that you download music or stream music. And I'm really hoping that this song especially encourages lots of moms that are in the thick of motherhood and changing diapers, doing laundry and dishes, and they might not feel like they're seen, but they are doing important work, and raising kids is such a high calling. So I'm really excited about this music, and I hope that it encourages so many people around the world. Thanks for watching this. I hope it helped you to see the behind the scenes of how to submit a song for an editorial playlist for a new release. Real quick, I wanted to let you know that if you're a songwriter or musician and you're looking for resources to take your music to the next level, maybe you're getting ready to publish your songs or record your songs, or you're wanting to promote them, I've got a whole list of resources for you on rusticsongbird.com/resources. So check that out. I've got links to different equipment that I use to record and what I use to distribute my music online, and so I would love to help you take that next step with your music. Go check out that list of resources at rusticsongbird.com/resources.